Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another investing $1 of Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 599. Okay, so here we are on Cash App. This is the app that I use to buy $1 Bitcoin every day. If you don't know how to use this app, definitely check out the other videos on my channel. There's hundreds of tutorials and experiments. You can also sign up with the link in the description and get $5 for free. Let's go ahead and hop over to the investment tab, the squiggly line in the tab bar. There's a section for stocks and Bitcoin. We want to make sure that we're on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin at $10,621, up about 2.3% today. So we can see on the weekly view, it was up a little higher around 11,000, kind of dropped off. Recovered a little, but it's still like a lower high there. So on a downtrend on the weekly, down 3.2%, down 6% on the month, and still up 32% on the year. You can see the nice uptrend over the last 6 months or so. Let's scroll down here, see if they have any news. Alameda Research mints largest ever quantity of WBTC tokens for yield farming. Bitcoin hits 10.7K, Bitcoin options, bunch of stuff that doesn't seem legit, but this one is very interesting, the WBTC. So basically, one of the biggest issues with Bitcoin currently, I don't personally think it's an issue, but a lot of people do think it's an issue, is that you can't do anything with your Bitcoin, they say. But that's starting to change. We're getting to the point, they've advanced development enough. You can wrap your Bitcoin and then use that on the Ethereum network. Other networks are coming out with this. So you're basically going to be able to wrap your Bitcoin and use it on all of these other blockchains. So you can enter into dApps or stake it, things of that sort. So lots of interesting stuff coming from that front. If there wasn't already enough use cases for Bitcoin, much more are coming. Bitcoin owned 0.0765. As you can see, buying $7 every Friday. Let's go ahead and continue that streak. Tap buy, tap the 3 dots, type in $7, tap next, scan my fingerprint. It's going to give us our order details, got a 3% fee. Let's confirm. And just like that, we've added some more Bitcoin. Tap done. Scroll down, we can now see I'm at 0.077 Bitcoin owned. So slowly chipping our way to 0.1 Bitcoin. Just going to keep dollar cost averaging every Friday, investing in Bitcoin here. Let's go ahead and do the math on this. $819.10. 819.10 divided by 599 days equals a 1.36x on my investment. So doing pretty good here. If you don't understand what that means, for every dollar that I've put into this experiment, I now have $1.36. As far as Bitcoin price action goes, it's really hard to say right now. It's looking good, but I think there could easily be a drawback in the near future. The past 6 months have been looking really good actually, but I wouldn't be surprised to see a small pullback. Long term, I obviously think this thing is going over $100,000, as I've mentioned in a bunch of other videos. But that's all for today. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't lay your problems on the past.